Meet my newest and oldest member of Big Pharma, a 1989 Ford Bronco. Her story here is a little bit of a different one. We had a beloved friend named Dave who was our handyman. Unfortunately, he recently passed away, and his wife and I could not think of a better way to honor his legacy than to make his work truck our farm work truck. He hand-built so much of this truck. There's a Ford Mustang 5-speed manual engine in here. This thing has got some horsepower. I'm super excited to show you guys the inside, the outside. We have some work we need to do. It was at the shop for like 5 weeks. I'm just excited to have it and learn how to drive it, because your girl does not know how to drive stick yet. So he painted this. It's a matte black. I don't mind it, but it has some rust spots and a couple other like imperfections that I'd like to get fixed out. But brand new tires and brand new brakes. They messed with the suspension some. A lot of the parts, as far as I know, are original, such as the mirrors, door handles, and some of the interior features. And he has a brand new soft top. This is a 4th gen Bronco. I believe they call this a wagon. She's pretty. She's old enough to get an antique plate, which is my first car that's an antique. We can take this whole soft top off, make her topless. It's beautiful when she is. But otherwise it's Florida, it rains a lot, so little protection and tint definitely required. Shall we go inside? I love these like little step ups. There is no oh shit handle, so you're just, you know, holding on for your dear life. I believe this is all an original interior, and oh my gosh. This is the Eddie Bauer edition. Very original seats. So yeah, she needs a little TLC. In the setup of this, the rear view mirror has come off. We'll need to rectify that.
Yeah, I can't see the rear.
This is Tyler, my intern. You've been an intern for like 5 years, so. Question, can you run me through what's the startup procedure?
You have to make sure it's in neutral. You'll have your foot on the clutch. You tap the gas twice. You'll turn the key all the way on.
Hold on.
And then you'll, okay, I know, it's like 10 steps.
No. Okay.
Clutch all the way in, it's the left pedal. I'm sure you know that.
I do know that, go ahead.
I think that's the brake.
Just tap.
He said clutch, or is this the clutch? That's the parking brake. Ow, fuck me, okay.
Yeah, that's the parking brake. Once the key's all the way on, you'll push the red button until it fires up.
I think it's safe to not start it.
And there's like lights on the dash and stuff, and then you'll
Oh.
Cody, she did not start. Why is it 18 steps? Can anyone explain that to me? Let off the clutch once you're in neutral, once I start. Okay, God, those steps.
Probably ruined it already by touching the brake.
Okay, ready?
click the key.
Key all the way up.
Yeah.
Make sure the clutch is pushed all the way in.
Yep, she broke it.
Oh my God. I tapped the gas.
Did you tap it?
Yes. Freedom.
All right.
I already feel safer.
That was an adventure.
Didn't go anywhere.
That's okay.
That was disappointing.
We might need to upgrade that. That was a little
Train horn.
wimpy. This is the back seat. Bench style, baby. Ha! Once I know how to drive this, I think it'd be fun to take the top off and ride around. Beach day. The surfboard's back here, it'd be great. This is so my seat. I'm a middle seat type of girl. I always like to sit in the middle. What?
I wonder why.
Anyhow, that's it. That's what I got for you. We should vote if we should paint her or not. I do like the black though. We thought it was fitting to wear the Western attire by OnlyFans for the Ford Bronco. You know Bronco means untamed horse, wild, untrained. Click the link to see more of me and all of my toys.